Shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise and glory and honor that's due to Yahweh, Ba'ashem Yahushai, Ba'ashem Chachdash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of the great millstone who rule well. Peace and blessings to the 144,000 and the hopeful elect. Shalom Barakatam. I'm here to read a couple of psalms. Really, I would like to read 3 psalms, but for the sake of time, I read 2 psalms. It's number 127 and 128. Psalm 127, and it reads, Unless the Lord Yahweh builds a house, the work of the builders is wasted. Unless the Lord Yahweh protects a city, guarding it with sentries will do no good. It is useless for you to work so hard, from early morning until late at night, anxiously working for food to eat. For the Most High gives rest to his loved ones. Children are a gift from the Lord Yahweh. They are a reward from him. Children born to a young man are like arrows in a warrior's hands. How joyful is the man whose quiver is full of them. He will not be put to shame when he confronts his accusers at the city gates. And then I read 128. How joyful are those who fear the Lord Yahweh, all who follow his ways. You will enjoy the fruit of your labor. How joyful and prosperous you will be. Your wife will be like a fruitful grapevine, flourishing within your home. Your children will be like vigorous young olive trees, as they sit around your table. That is the Lord Yahweh's blessing for those who fear him. May the Lord Yahweh continually bless you from Zion. May you see Jerusalem prosper as long as you live. May you live to enjoy your grandchildren. May Israel have peace. Yeah. Call the Lord Yahweh Ba'ashem Yahushai Ba'ashem Chachudash. Tawada for listening. The Psalms are a beautiful book. Shalom.